Welcome, fellow explorers, to an exciting journey through the heart of Seoul, South Korea. In this walking tour video, we'll take you on a captivating adventure through the bustling streets, historic sites, and modern marvels of this vibrant city. As we walk along, you can check the bottom left for the area titles, or just skip to the relevant chapters on the video to watch the selected area. Each chapter has its own descriptive narration, so you can easily find more details about the area. If you have any questions, just post them in the comments section and give us some time to reply. We have added a detailed relation for each area to help you better understand each neighborhood. From the ancient traditions to the cutting-edge pop culture, Seoul has it all. So, lace up your walking shoes and let's dive into the diverse tapestry of this mesmerizing metropolis. The history of this bustling capital, dating back over 2,000 years, comes alive through the architectural marvels and ancient traditions preserved amidst the modern skyscrapers. The city center is a reflection of Seoul's dynamic spirit. From the ever-present street food vendors offering tantalizing treats to the continuous flow of pedestrians, you can truly feel the heartbeat of the city. Seoul's population of over 9 million people creates a vibrant tapestry of cultures and stories, making every street corner a new adventure waiting to unfold. The weather, which can vary from scorching summers to chilly winters, plays a pivotal role in shaping the city's unique charm. As you embark on this day-walking tour, keep in mind that the best times to visit Seoul are during the mild and comfortable spring and autumn seasons, when the city is adorned with cherry blossoms or autumn foliage. Gangnam-daero, at the heart of Seoul, symbolizes the city's modernity and global cultural impact. Lined with skyscrapers, it's a K-pop and entertainment hub, drawing fans worldwide. Street performers add to its lively vibe. It's also a business center with multinationals. Amidst the glamour, you'll find pockets of greenery and cultural exhibitions, blending tradition and modernity. As night falls, Gangnam-daero transforms into a dazzling nightlife hub. Whether for music, fashion, business, or the bustling atmosphere, it's a must-visit, showcasing Seoul's contemporary culture and global influence. A short walk leads us to the statue of King Sejong the Great, a beloved monarch known for his contributions to Korean culture, including the creation of the Korean script, Hangul. K-pop Square, nestled near Gangnam-daero, is a pilgrimage site for K-pop enthusiasts. This vibrant open space pays homage to South Korea's iconic music genre, with statues, art installations, and memorabilia dedicated to K-pop stars. It's a hotspot for fans looking to connect with their favorite idol's legacy. The square often hosts impromptu dance performances and events, creating an electric atmosphere. The Seoul Metro, an integral part of daily life in South Korea's capital, is a sprawling and efficient subway system that serves millions of commuters and tourists alike. The Seoul Metro traces its origins back to August 15, 1974, when Line 1, the city's first subway line, began operations. There are 9 numbered lines and additional lines with letters. These lines serve different parts of the city, connecting major neighborhoods, business districts, and tourist attractions. The operating hours of the Seoul Metro lines may vary slightly, but in general, the subway system operates from around 5:30 a.m. to midnight. Navigating the extensive subway network is made simple by clear signage in both Korean and English, along with helpful announcements on the trains. It's always a good idea to check the latest information on the official Seoul Metro website or at the stations themselves when planning your travels in Seoul. There are also some other light rail lines that serve the capital and the surrounding areas. Bukchon Hanok Village, nestled in the heart of Seoul, is a captivating testament to Korea's rich cultural heritage. This historic enclave, dating back over 600 years to the Joseon dynasty, boasts beautifully preserved Hanok houses and traditional Korean architecture defined by wooden frames and clay-tiled roofs. Strolling through Bukchon's labyrinthine alleys feels like stepping into a bygone era. The narrow streets wind through the village, revealing hidden courtyards, lush gardens, and ornate wooden doors that provide a glimpse into the private lives of its residents. One of the highlights of visiting Bukchon is the opportunity to rent a hanbok, the traditional Korean attire. Wearing a hanbok while exploring the village adds an extra layer of immersion into its historical ambiance. Moreover, Bukchon Hanok Village hosts various cultural experiences, such as traditional tea ceremonies and calligraphy lessons. Gwangjang Market, boasting a legacy since 1905, stands as one of South Korea's oldest and largest traditional markets. Spanning 42,000 square meters, it hosts over 5,000 shops, employing 20,000 people. Impressively, it welcomes approximately 65,000 daily visitors. This Seoul institution is a paradise for food enthusiasts, celebrated for its mouth-watering street food that leads you on a gastronomic tour of Korean cuisine. From the flavorful delights of bindateok, tteokbokki, and bibimbap, to the tempting allure of noodle alleys kalguksu and jolmyeon, the market offers a diverse culinary landscape. Fresh seafood, including the delicacy of hoe sashimi, is abundant. Ikseondong Hanok Village in Seoul is a captivating neighborhood that beautifully merges traditional Korean Hanok architecture with contemporary boutiques and eateries. Its narrow, winding alleyways transport you to a bygone era. While wandering in the alleys, you'll discover quaint cafes, boutique shops, galleries, and restaurants housed within the traditional hanoks. For food enthusiasts, Ikseondong is a treasure trove of culinary delights. You can savor traditional Korean dishes, fusion cuisine, and street food that cater to various tastes. Don't miss trying out local favorites like hotteok, sweet pancakes, and odang, fish cake skewers, from the street vendors. When the sun sets in Seoul, a vibrant transformation occurs in the heart of the city. The bustling streets of Myeongdong district come to life. This district is not only a shopper's paradise during the day, but also a thriving hub of culture, cuisine, and entertainment when night falls. Located in the heart of Seoul, Myeongdong is a shopping mecca that draws locals and tourists alike. During daylight hours, the district pulsates with energy as shoppers browse the countless boutiques, department stores, and cosmetics shops that line its streets. Myeongdong is renowned for its vast selection of beauty products, making it a paradise for skincare and cosmetics enthusiasts. As the sun dips below the horizon, Myeongdong undergoes a captivating transformation. The bustling shoppers make way for street vendors, performers, and food stalls that set up shop along the streets. Neon signs illuminate the district, and the scent of sizzling street food fills the air. One of the highlights of the Myeongdong night market is undoubtedly the mouth-watering street food. It's a gastronomic journey through Korean flavors, with stalls serving up iconic dishes like tteokbokki, spicy rice cakes, odang, fish cake skewers, hotteok, sweet pancakes, and gyeranbang, egg bread. Adventurous eaters can also try delicacies like silkworm pupai and fried squid tentacles. The diverse food offerings cater to all palates, making it an ideal spot for food enthusiasts. While savoring the delectable treats, you'll be entertained by talented street performers. From musicians and dancers to artists showcasing their craft, the Myeongdong night market offers an array of captivating performances. It's not just about shopping and eating, it's a cultural spectacle that adds to the electric atmosphere. Myeongdong's vibrant streets are also adorned with stalls selling trendy fashion items, accessories, and unique souvenirs. Whether you're in search of stylish clothing, quirky trinkets, or traditional Korean handicrafts, the night market has it all. Haggle with friendly vendors to snag the best deals. For those who miss the daytime shopping spree, don't worry. Some shops remain open late into the night, offering skincare and beauty products at duty-free prices. You can browse a variety of Korean cosmetics and skincare brands, making it an excellent opportunity to stock up on your favorites or try something new. Myeongdong's shopping experience extends into the late hours, allowing you to shop for fashion, accessories, and beauty products long after other parts of the city have quieted down. This makes it a perfect destination for night owls and those who prefer a more relaxed shopping experience. The Starfield Library, nestled within the bustling Coex Mall in Seoul, redefines the shopping mall experience. Often dubbed a library without walls, this captivating space has charmed both avid bookworms and casual visitors alike. Architecturally grand, it stretches across 2 levels, with towering bookshelves that house an extensive collection of books, magazines, and periodicals across various genres. The design is a true masterpiece, with gracefully curved shelves, massive skylights, and a warm, inviting ambiance. Despite its location in a bustling shopping complex, it offers a tranquil escape. You can immerse yourself in the world of words, lose track of time, and momentarily disconnect from the outside world. In essence, the Starfield Library at Coex Mall is more than just a space filled with books. It's a testament to the enduring power of literature and culture. People from all walks of life can share in the joy of reading, making it a must-visit destination within Seoul, inspiring and uplifting visitors through the magic of books and its beautiful design. Starfield Coex Mall in Seoul, South Korea, is a sprawling shopping and entertainment complex with over 700 shops, restaurants, and cultural attractions. It houses a massive underground aquarium and a variety of theaters, making it a popular destination for both locals and tourists, seeking a diverse range of experiences all under one roof. This iconic mall offers an unforgettable blend of shopping, dining, and entertainment, making it a must-visit destination in Seoul. Cheongsudang Café, situated in Seoul, seamlessly marries traditional Korean tea customs with contemporary aesthetics. This tranquil haven offers an extensive array of exquisite teas, thoughtfully served in handcrafted Korean tea sets. The cafe's sophisticated interior exudes an air of serenity, enhanced by a delightful assortment of pastries and traditional sweets, fostering a peaceful atmosphere. The cafe also features a charming small garden, where you can relish desserts at quaint dining tables. Among the delectable offerings, the soft soufflé castella stands out as a heavenly delight. With its cloud-like, savory castella paired with a fragrant sip of coffee, it's a sensory experience that elevates the cafe visit to sheer perfection. Tai Fung Myeongdong, located in the heart of Seoul, is a culinary gem renowned for its delectable dumplings and Taiwanese cuisine. The restaurant's minimalist yet inviting ambiance sets the stage for an exceptional dining experience. Tai Fung's signature xiaolongbao steamed dumplings steal the show with their delicate wrappers and flavorful fillings. From savory soups to wok-fried delights, the menu offers a wide range of Taiwanese specialities. Cheonggyecheon, an urban oasis in the heart of Seoul, is a revitalized stream that has become a symbol of the city's commitment to preserving its natural beauty amidst modernization. Once covered by a highway, it has been transformed into a serene public space. Lined with walking paths, art installations, and lush greenery, it's a peaceful escape from the city's hustle and bustle. The Seoul Sky Observatory, nestled within the iconic Lotte World Tower, offers a breathtaking vantage point to embrace the essence of this metropolis. The Lotte World Tower, where our adventure begins, is more than a skyscraper. It's a symbol of South Korea's ambition and innovation, soaring to an impressive 555 meters. As we ascend to the Seoul Sky Observatory on the 117th to 123rd floors, prepare for a multi-dimensional experience that goes beyond traditional observation decks. When the elevator doors open, you'll be greeted by breathtaking 360-degree views that unveil Seoul's intricate mosaic of life and history, stretching as far as the eye can see. What sets Seoul Sky Observatory apart is the immersive multimedia presentation, narrated in both Korean and English, that accompanies your journey. Seoul Sky Observatory offers glimpses into the city's ambitious future. Explore the city's innovative urban planning, eco-friendly initiatives, and its quest to become a smart city, a testament to South Korea's forward-thinking vision. Should you wish to pause your exhilarating journey, the observatory boasts cozy cafes where you can savor a coffee or light meal while still soaking in those magnificent views. There are also souvenir shops where you can find keepsakes to commemorate your visit. While the daytime views are awe-inspiring, the Seoul Sky Observatory comes alive during twilight and nighttime. As the sun sets and Seoul's lights twinkle, the city takes on a romantic and mesmerizing allure. An ideal experience for couples or those seeking an unforgettable evening. The Seoul Sky Observatory at Lotte World Tower offers more than stunning views. It's a profound journey through Seoul's past, present, and future. Our tour concludes at the Starbucks Reserve at State Tower Namsan, where you can enjoy a coffee with panoramic views of the city. As our Seoul adventure comes to a close, we head to Gimpo Airport. We hope you've enjoyed this immersive tour of the city center. From history to modernity, Seoul has something for everyone. It takes detailed planning and a long time to shoot, edit, and create this content. If our videos help you in your travels, please remember to like, subscribe, turn the notification bell on, and keep watching them. It will help us grow Bestravelvideo and constantly evolve, providing you with even better content.